If you were waiting for the stable One UI 8.5 update, here's a shocker. Beta 6 is now officially in testing. Right after releasing the fifth beta, Samsung has started internal testing of One UI 8.5 Beta 6. With this move, the company has once again delayed the stable rollout for the Galaxy S25 series. Back in December, Samsung launched the One UI 8.5 beta program. Since then, testing has remained limited to the Galaxy S25 lineup only. The official unveiling is scheduled for February 25th in San Francisco, where the next major phase of this software will be showcased. According to reports, Samsung has also begun testing a new One UI 8.5 beta build for the Galaxy S26 series, which will be distributed as Beta 6 via AlphaTurk. The latest build carries a PDA version ending in ZZB7, with minor internal changes likely reflected in the final digit. Looking at previous updates, Beta 4 introduced direct voicemail, while Beta 5 brought AI-powered Bixby. The software now appears close to stability, and Samsung seems to be focusing on polishing and sequentially deploying new features from the Galaxy S26 series. If you're currently running One UI 8.5 Beta 5, you can expect the Beta 6 rollout early next month. However, if additional refinements are needed, Samsung may extend the beta cycle further. We could even see up to 7 or 8 beta builds, similar to previous One UI beta programs. With Beta 6 now in testing, it's clear that the stable version isn't arriving immediately. There's no controversy here, as Samsung has already confirmed that the official stable rollout will begin in early March, with the new flagships debuting the software out of the box. The Galaxy S26 series is expected to go on sale on March 11th. However, Samsung may not immediately share the software expansion roadmap for older devices. Based on current expectations, existing Galaxy models could start receiving One UI 8.5 by April 2026. If you want the fastest updates on One UI features, hidden tricks, leaks, and everything happening in the Galaxy ecosystem, make sure you watch till the end, hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel, because this is where you get every Samsung breaking update first and fast.